The honing and polishing prescription pathway in Crete RX, Betco's concrete and terrazzo maintenance system, leverages advanced technology to restore and maintain gloss on polished cementitious surfaces. Let's get started on the procedures for stain and etch repair. Prepare floor per regular maintenance practices, such as dust mopping, and remove any large debris from the floor prior to using a mop or automatic scrubber. Set wet floor signs in place and follow all safety procedures. For all applications, dilute Betco DensaClean at 0.5 ounces per gallon, or 4 milliliters per liter, 1 to 256, using the Betco Fast Draw system. Mop or double scrub the stained area to be restored, making sure to saturate the concrete. Do not vacuum solution and allow a slight amount to puddle on the floor. Using the flip-top quart of Betco Liquid Grind, apply at full strength on the stained area at roughly 250 square feet per quart. Allow the product to set for 5 minutes before moving on to the next step. Attach Betco honing tools directly to pad driver on floor machine or automatic scrubber. Worn, flat, or brush-type drivers will require the use of Betco's tool adapter pad, or TAP, to hold honing or polishing tools. For added performance, attach the honing tools to Betco's counter-rotating plate, or CRP. The addition of the CRP will increase head pressure on floor machines and cut down on labor time in stain repair. Place equipment in the treatment area and begin initial honing procedure. Make 20 to 50 overlapping passes over the area until the surface is completely smooth and etched area is removed. If using the Crete RX CRP to aid your process, make 4 to 5 passes over the etched area at a speed of 3 to 4 feet per minute. Clean area with a mop or automatic scrubber and DensaClean solution. Using the flip-top container of Betco Densifier, apply at full strength to stained area at roughly 500 square feet per quart and spread out over the honed area with a microfiber mop. Allow to dry before proceeding to the next step. This can take up to 45 minutes depending on environmental conditions. Remove the honing tools from equipment and attach Betco polishing tools. 3 to 6 tools per pad driver are recommended. Before completing the next step, make sure the floor is dry. Make 20 to 50 overlapping passes over the honed area until the surface is completely smooth and the etched area is removed. If using the Crete RX CRP to aid your process, make 4 to 5 passes over the etched area at a speed of 3 to 4 feet per minute. You will notice a white, chalky look on your floor due to excess resin on the floor surface. Clean the area with a mop or automatic scrubber and DensaClean solution to remove excess resin. Attach trigger sprayer to the quart of Betco Stain Defense and lightly mist the treated area at 1,000 square feet per quart. Quickly mop the area with a clean and dry microfiber mop, spreading out the stain defense across the area. Allow the treated area to dry for 30 minutes. Burnish with Betco Optima Propane and Betco SI Burnish Pad, or buff with floor machine and Betco SI Burnish Pad. Employ routine maintenance procedures to keep your floor in pristine condition.